I'm going to show you guys how to change out the rear differential fluid on a 2011 Ford Expedition 4x4. Here's everything we used: some gloves, a 3/8 drive ratchet, brake cleaner, a few quarts of 75 W140 gear oil, and either easy-to-use containers or a gear oil pump. Alright, so you're going to want to make sure your drain pan is right under this drain plug right here at the rear of the differential. This one. And then the fill plug is right here. Alright, the head of the ratchet itself goes right into these differential plugs, and then you're just going to start breaking them free, and then you could loosen them by hand. This is a heavier oil than your usual engine oil, so you'll want the pan just right in front of this. It shouldn't go too far. And then slowly take out the plug. Adjust your pan, being careful not to make a mess when it comes out here. And then set your plug aside so that you don't lose it. It is very thick oil, so it may take 5 to 10 minutes for this to drain fully. To speed it up a bit, you could just take out the fill plug and let the air flow help the liquid to flow out. Now we take our cleaned off drain plug and we're going to hand tighten this back into place. Next, take some brake cleaner and clean off the differential. Next, we can tighten the drain plug down with the ratchet again. Now we're just going to fill the differential by squeezing these pouches into the fill plug hole. And then you just keep filling it until the oil starts coming out of the differential here in a second. You'll see it'll drip very steadily. There we go. So the excess fluid just drains right out once it reaches its necessary level. Now we take our fill plug and get that back in here and then tighten it down. And just take our brake cleaner and clean this up really good. Get all the old fluid off, any rust or dirt or anything up here, just try to clean it all off. Then when you're done, you can drive the truck off the 2 sets of ramps. I use 2 here to keep the truck nice and level to make sure all the fluid comes out when it's supposed to.